Woodworking is all about precision, creativity, and having the right tools at your fingertips. Whether you're crafting furniture, building cabinets, or just tinkering in your garage, the right tool can make a world of difference. In this video, we're showcasing 20 killer woodworking tools on Amazon that every woodworker will want right now. From clever jigs and clamps to powerful drills and saws, these tools are designed to make your projects easier, faster, and way more enjoyable. Let's check them out. Thin Rip Jig. The Thin Rip Jig is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast, priced at just $27. Built from premium CNC machined aluminum, it feels sturdy, durable, and reliable, with an anti-corrosion surface that keeps your workpieces steady and safe. Its universal T-slot compatibility makes it easy to use with most table saws, router tables, and bandsaws. With a wide adjustable range and dual imperial/metric scales, it delivers precise measurements, while its 1/32 inch laser-sharp accuracy ensures flawless, repeatable cuts. Perfect for cabinetry and fine woodworking projects, it's an excellent value. Huepar Angle Finder. The Huepar Angle Finder, priced at $30, is a precision tool that makes angle measurements effortless. With an integrated temperature sensor, it maintains plus or minus 0.1 degrees accuracy at 0 degrees/90 degrees and plus or minus 0.2 degrees for other angles, even in extreme conditions. Its 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees modes, along with multiple measurement units, make it versatile for woodworking, DIY, and construction projects. The magnetic base allows hands-free use, while the high-contrast VA LCD with tilt guidance ensures clear readings. Compact, durable, and portable, it's perfect for precise, professional-grade results. Dovetail Jig. The Dovetail Jig, priced at $44, is an essential tool for any woodworker looking to create precise, professional-quality joints. Made from sturdy aluminum with an adjustable clamping design, it ensures perfectly aligned dovetail joints on boards of any width. The set includes a 14-degree, 1/2 inch dovetail router bit and a clear user manual, making it ideal for both beginners and pros. Whether you're making half-blind or through dovetail joints, repairing furniture, or building boxes, this jig delivers accuracy, ease of use, and reliable results every time. Undercut Saw. The Undercut Saw, priced at $270, is a powerhouse for any serious woodworker or contractor. With a 2.5 horsepower, 1,800 watt motor, it delivers high-speed, precise cuts on a variety of materials. Its heavy-duty design ensures durability, while the 6.5 inch alloy and diamond saw blades let you cut wood, tiles, stone, and concrete with ease. The unique height adjustment system keeps the blade perfectly parallel to the floor, allowing for clean, accurate cuts. With a max cutting height of 1 inch and depth of 1 1/4 inches, it's versatile and professional grade. NEIKO Hammer Drill. The NEIKO Hammer Drill, priced at $156, is a versatile and powerful tool for both woodworking and construction projects. Its brushless motor delivers 1,400 revolutions per minute and 4,500 beats per minute, making it perfect for concrete, wood, metal, and masonry. The cordless design comes with a battery level indicator and fast charger, keeping you powered on the go. With 4 functions, drilling, hammering, and chiseling, plus a 360-degree handle, depth gauge, and built-in LED light, it's easy to operate, precise, and reliable for any job site or workshop. Rockler Panel Clamps. The Rockler Panel Clamps, priced at $130, are perfect for small-scale woodworking projects. These deluxe clamps feature rigid steel cawls that hold panels flat, ensuring joints stay flush and reducing sanding time. Designed for panels 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick and up to 16 inches wide, they provide consistent pressure with scissor action couplers. Built from thick powder-coated steel, they're durable and reliable. Ideal for cutting boards, Small panels or frame and panel doors, these mini clamps bring precision, ease, and professional quality results to any woodworker's workshop. Dustopper Pro. The Dustopper Pro, priced at $60, is a game changer for any woodworking shop. This patented low-profile dust separator collects over 99.9% of dust before it reaches your vacuum, protecting filters and saving money. Compatible with most 2.5-inch shop vacs, it also separates liquids, making it ideal for flood cleanup or wet-dry projects. Easy to install with included high-flow elbows, it fits standard buckets and empties effortlessly with snap latches. From wood shavings to dirt and small debris, Dustopper Pro keeps your workspace clean and efficient. Cordless Jig Saw. The Cordless Jig Saw, priced at $57, is a versatile and reliable tool for any woodworking project. Its brushless copper motor reduces friction and heat, ensuring smooth, long-lasting performance. With 3 adjustable speed settings and a 4-level stroke function, it handles delicate wood or tougher metals with precision. The 45 to 90 degree cutting angles allow for straight and angled cuts, while the built-in dust blowing system keeps your workspace clean and visible. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, this jig saw is a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. Milescraft Joint Master. The Milescraft Joint Master, priced at $45, is an essential tool for creating precise dowel joints in any woodworking project. Whether you're working on edge, corner, or surface joints, it handles 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 1 inch dowels, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch dowel pins with ease. Its durable all-aluminum construction ensures the jig won't flex or bend, while the retractable edge stops automatically aligned boards for consistent placement. Hardened steel bushings provide long-lasting accuracy, making each dowel hole perfectly positioned. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, it's ideal for both DIYers and professional woodworkers. Litheli Cordless Drill Set. The Litheli Cordless Drill Set, priced at $50, is a versatile and practical tool for homeowners and hobbyists alike. Its 20-volt rechargeable battery ensures reliable power for a variety of projects, while the 3/8 inch keyless metal chuck allows quick, single-handed bit changes. With 18+1 torque settings delivering up to 220 inch-pounds, it provides precision for drilling and screw driving without damaging materials. The 2-speed motor, forward/reverse switch, and compact design make this drill set perfect for woodworking, DIY tasks, and general household projects. Kreg MortiseMate. The Kreg MortiseMate, priced at $300, is a premium woodworking jig designed for precise and effortless mortise cutting. Its auto-indexing step-down mechanism adjusts in 1/16 inch increments, ensuring accurate cuts every time. The integrated mini work surface and trigger-style clamps make securing panels quick and simple, fitting workpieces from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Micro-adjustment screws and laser-etched markings allow customizable mortise width and consistent depth. Durable and easy to use, the MortiseMate bridges the gap between concept and craftsmanship, making it a must-have for serious woodworkers. Multi-Blades Handsaw. The Multi-Blades Handsaw, priced at $20, is a versatile and compact tool ideal for any woodworking or DIY project. Its 8-in-1 adjustable design comes with high-speed steel blades that are durable, sharp, and resistant to wear. The TPR non-slip ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, while the lockback mechanism securely holds both large and small blades. With easy replacement blades and a clever clamping system, this handsaw adapts to various tasks, making it a practical, space-saving addition to any toolbox. Corner Clamps. The corner clamps, priced at $46, are a sturdy and versatile addition to any woodworking or DIY setup. Made from premium aluminum alloy, they securely join 2 wood blocks at a perfect 90-degree angle. The adjustable clamping range and swing jaw accommodate various material thicknesses, while the ergonomic rubber handle ensures precise, anti-slip positioning. Ideal for woodworking, cabinet making, framing, or furniture assembly, these clamps make setting up joints fast and accurate. Durable, reliable, and easy to use, they're a must-have tool for both hobbyists and professionals. SEESII Suction Cups. The SEESII Suction Cups, priced at $160, make lifting heavy glass, tiles, or metal effortless and safe. With a powerful 21-volt motor, generating up to 440 pounds of suction in just 3 to 5 seconds, it securely grips materials on demanding job sites. The built-in pressure sensor ensures a firm hold, while the LED display and digital gauge provide real-time monitoring. Versatile across smooth or textured surfaces, it comes with 2 high-capacity rechargeable batteries for extended use. Durable, reliable, and easy to operate, it's ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. Mini Hacksaw. The Mini Hacksaw, priced at $10, is a compact and versatile tool perfect for precision woodworking, crafts, and home repairs. The kit includes a durable aluminum alloy frame, miter box, and a high-quality 24 TPI bimetal blade, allowing clean cuts on wood, PVC, rubber, and even steel. With 6 adjustable blade angles, tension control, and an ergonomic non-slip handle, it ensures accuracy and comfort. Lightweight and portable, this mini hacksaw is ideal for small projects, trimming moldings, or DIY tasks, making it a practical addition to any toolkit. Toe Kick Saw. The Toe Kick Saw, priced at $95, is a specialized tool designed for precise sub-floor cuts beneath cabinets. Its high-quality alloy blades handle wood effortlessly, while the included diamond blade can cut tiles and stone. With 4 adjustable cutting depths, 3/16 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 of an inch, it offers versatility for various projects. The trigger switch with safety button ensures secure operation, and easy access brush replacement keeps maintenance simple. Compact, durable, and efficient, this saw allows clean, flush cuts against walls or cabinets, making it a must-have for remodels and cabinetry work. Tile Vibration Tool. The Tile Vibration Tool is a powerful and efficient woodworking and tiling assistant priced at $64. Its 130-pound suction capacity ensures tiles up to 59 by 59 inches stay securely in place, greatly improving work accuracy and speed. The dual 22-volt batteries offer 4 to 6 hours of continuous use, with quick 2-hour charging for non-stop performance. Featuring 5-speed vibration adjustment up to 18,000 revolutions per minute, it adapts easily to various tile sizes and surfaces. The smart display provides real-time vibration monitoring, making this cordless tile tool both smart and reliable for professionals.